Alright guys,
So,
opening morning.
It's opening morning in bear season, and we put Micah in the blind. And Austin and I, we were out hiking clear cuts, glass and everything. And we hear boom! We're like, okay. We're like the only guys up in this particular area. That has to be Micah. So we call him. Well, first we text him and he doesn't answer. So we call him. And we're like, hey, was that you shooting? Yeah, I just shot a bear 25 yards on aisle 6.
Opening morning.
Opening morning.
So we're gonna head down there, help him get it out of there, and
He said it's a nice bear.
yeah, he said it's a big one, so we'll see.
It's gonna be awesome.
We'll keep you tuned. All right, we just got to where Micah was hunting this morning. He shot a bear opening day. Gonna go in and help him pack it out. So we'll see where he got it. It's kind of thick. Opens up pretty good up here. So we're gonna see what happens and how big of a bear Micah got.
Like 6 days.
The crew. Gonna go get Micah's bear. Opening day, Washington bear season. Micah got the lucky one. We've been seeing bears come through on our cameras, and normally there's a lot of elk in here, and the bears for some reason lately been coming through. So I told Micah to come up here and walk around and look, and obviously he found one cruising the timber. There you go, first walk up. He's big. Oh, he's dead.
Hold up.
I'm so happy. This is actually my first bear. Opening morning. Couldn't be happier.
Sweet.
Kept walking past me.
So what'd you do, Matt? Mike?
Finally, you get my name right. Anyways, yeah, 25 yards. I'm just sitting in the blind, about ready to take a nap. 7 a.m. Then I just hear a noise. Thought it was some more crows.
Yeah.
Look out. That's how I get up, look out the blind. 25 yards, bear's just staring at me.
Oh, let's go look at it.
You got a good shot.
Not a huge bear, but it's a bear. It didn't go more than 15 yards. Go show me the head. It's about the same size as Austin's.
No, it's bigger than ours.
Is it?
Oh yeah.
Mine is not that big. Nice. Nice black one.
This fella's been fighting.
Yeah, that's a nice bear. Good job, bud.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Opening day bear.
What you got there, Micah?
Micah's first bear.
I'm gonna say something between a Cocker Spaniel and a good old-fashioned American black bear.
Yeah, opening day,
Perfect shot.
August
You
1st.
can't get much better placement.
How far did you go?
20 yards, maybe 15.
Maybe 20, 15 yards.
That's pretty good.
Didn't go 20.
Middle of the woods,
mean-
found a bear.
Get a close up on these teeth. I don't know how old. I mean, she's not. Doesn't look huge. It's a sow, but look at those teeth. They're just worn down.
Yeah.
I've never seen a bear like that.
I mean, her face is all scarred up.
Yeah, she's a fighter.
Yeah, right here in the head, there's a big old scar
Beautiful
from a
coat
claw.
on her.
Yeah.
We'll take it.
Good job, Micah.
Thank you,
Good job, bud.
Open me.
Like crazy.
He said when he shot it, it just dropped.
Well, he said it ran. No,
Well, he said it dropped,
stood
And then
up,
he got up,
and
spun
then,
around, and took off.
Yeah, well, most of them do. I mean, that kind of a shot.
Yeah.
Dang.
He put the smack down on it for sure.
This is how you get a bear out of the woods.
Yep.
You get a carry them out.
Mega mover.
That way you don't ruin the coat.
Yep.
And we don't have
use a
that
stick.
far to go.
And you don't get blood and poop on you.
Yeah. And you don't use a stick like Dusty and Andy.
That
Hey,
was
we
a
went old
bad
school.
idea. That was not fun.
I used the stick, kind of like a hay bale.
Yeah. Yeah, she's got to be an older bear. I'll be interested to see when Micah gets
Send the tooth
results
in.
back.
Yeah.
I never sent mine.
How your boots work? So.
They're not very tight. One bear down, 4 to go.
Why do you aim more, Dustin? Carrying bodies out?
Yeah.
You guys got aiming great, no?
Yeah, but we do this a lot. But then they're only 4 to 10.
Luckily you got Johnny on your side.
No, I don't. I got bit. Really? Yeah, definitely.
Don't get a better pack up today. Yeah, I should have. Slept in the truck last night.
Yeah, Mike
Why?
said you were scared.
Because there was a
Matt
freaking
was
bear
scared.
outside.
No, there wasn't.
I slept in the tent last
He
night.
hears stuff breaking, he's like, we're going to the truck. And then halfway through, I'm like, plug the truck, I'm going back to the tent.
Yeah.
But it's too lazy to move.
Oh,
Where
your,
you
head,
going?
your head's flopping off.
Lift your hanger. Yeah. Up, set her on the log. Up, down.
You can do the rest of the day.
Go to the boy. Okay, go a little ways.
Down. I'm going to get it over there.
You go between along that log and that tree.
Over here?
Yeah, and then you can go around that stump. Good stuff.
Pretty little bear.
There's also more coming.
You guys not bringing sleeping pads?
No.
I slept like crying in the truck till midnight and then we back. No, I go up against you. So it's kind of staggered going past it. Yep, towards mine.
They're going to make it. If they can handle us carrying them out like this, they're probably going to win.
No, she's dead.
No, I'm talking here in person. We're dragging them over the log.
Andy and I got in the whole elk tail this way.
Yep.
Yeah. On the park? Yeah.
In the rain.
Yeah, we drug it. This is the cow I shot off the 2000.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We packed her out there only half a mile. What's this? Yeah.
They came in, I was so quiet.
My lucky hunting shirt. Did you get a bear? No.
He should have been
Hey,
wearing
That
that's
guy.
mine.
No, it's not. I got one too.
Oh.
Pretty sure I bought you that shirt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure they stole out of the laundry.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Sure.
That's your fishing.
Not even supporting First Life.
I couldn't find it.
No hats.
Bear.
The bear did not just fart.
I'm blaming this guy.
Mike is
Mike
going to
is
notch his tag.
Ram handle knife he just got.
Brand new knife. Good luck.
You know what? The one way to get some is you spend a heck of a lot of
Good
money.
one.
You know?
That's why these two got it. Right? Alright. Cougar.
That is not a cougar.
Yeah.
Bear.
Alright. So, use this tree to notch it.
August 1st.
Opening day, bear.
That's a good picture right there. Get one there all bloody, but so, August.
Is Micah notching his tag?
Look, don't lose those.
Put them on the ear.
Why?
Get a picture.
I'm never doing that.
We'll see.
You're off, right?
Sharp enough?
From Papa's guts. Well, mine was before.
I thought I shot him way far back.
Really?
Uh-huh. But I didn't jerk or anything.
Good.
She didn't have boobies.
Yes, she does.
Oh, does she?
Geez, Andy, what a perv.
I think mine was just a little bigger than this one.
Yeah, right. I think they're about the same size.
No,
Yeah.
still bigger than Austin.
Yeah, that's for sure.
A little cubby shot.
I got a click tap.
I might have to go with Click Cat too.
Yeah, you gotta go buy a second tag.
Yeah, she got a pretty coat on her.
Some bacon. Fatty. Hopefully she's in too tough.
Should be. The bear roast is pretty good.
Bear steak.
Back claws are pretty chewed up. Looks like she's been digging a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, awesome.
Like that belly? Go ahead, Michael. Make sure it's a straight cut.
I'm trying. Then Mike can just hang her in the barn for Mike.
Yeah, Dad, Lauren texted Dad back and said he can come clean to get the
Cooler ready?
cooler ready.
Dad says I gotta go find like mares or something. See if I can hang it there.
Depends when they get old.
Yeah, that's always confusing.
Oh my gosh, my ear's raped now. Don't pop the bladder.
Well, no, it's like this.
The best part about this, we got it on film.
Oh, jeez. Doing
Watch this, she might have a urinary tract infection.
doing a buck is so much easier.
It's called a boar.
No, I'm talking to deer.
Fat. A lot of fat on this one. A lot of fat.
Scalpel. At least it's cutting good.
Mm-hmm.
I think some more bookers.
No.
That stuff stinks so
Yeah.
bad.
Doing it. Yeah, Dad was confused getting the bear.
I don't do very many of them.
Hopefully we're gonna start doing a lot more.
Hope so.
Had a good track.
Bummer is I'm not a big fan of
Look at all
doing
that fat in there.
it. You
Oh
know?
jeez.
Mm-hmm.
I'll have to give Andy some.
I want to look at them lungs. I bet you they're just gonna be like
Shredded.
loaded.
Did I pop the guts?
Nope.
Sweet.
That's it, you already cut him? Yeah.
Where's your gloves? I brought a whole thing of gloves.
I know.
Real men don't wear gloves.
Mhm.
Okay.
That's why Dustin needs them.
Mm-hmm. For sure.
Since he's riding in my truck too.
You think he'd be able to afford Toyota?
The diaphragm is shot, destroyed.
What, the lungs?
Oh, so it just internally
Yeah.
it just imploded.
What diaphragm, what's that?
It's what separates your gut, keeps your guts from your chest wall, up into your lungs.
You know, it keeps the guts out of the lungs.
Mm-hmm.
The liver's behind it though.
Helps you breathe.
No, liver's in the, with your guts.
Yeah, I know. It's behind
So
the
that
back.
means I hit it good?
Yeah.
Yeah, that means you smoked him.
Yeah, you got a good shot, bud. Couldn't have asked for a better shot.
Hot 6 power.
Shooting my hand loads.
I still say my spine shot was pretty
At 25 yards.
Mine was like,
Hey,
I'm not crazy being that close. It makes a whole different. Mine was like
Experience?
350. Yeah, that was like being that close to them.
Hey, you want to save
She was
the
looking at
fat
me.
around the stomach to make
She
meatballs?
saw me move and grab my gun and cock it.
Meat eater
And she
loves
just
it.
kept walking.
Really?
Oh yeah.
So I was lucky.
He'll make his meatballs, wrap it in that. He says it gives it great flavor.
Call fat. That's disgusting. My tooth wouldn't even be worse. Well, it's kind of cool to see how old they are. Mine, half a year. Yeah, I think we'll just load it up. We'll head backpack camp and leave. Yeah. Nothing else for us to do. Just put some
You guys can
filler.
fill it full of ice.
There goes my Sunday.
You're up. Not a bad way to spend it.
Dude, this is a heck of a way to spend it. Couldn't think of a better way to. I will say it was not like sleeping in the breakfast tent.
No, that's
With a nice, comfy cot and cushion. I literally slept in nothing but my underwear. No freaking,
We didn't even throw the blankets on us.
and I was cooking all night long. This is the way you take in? Yep. I took the wrong trail there.
Well, I didn't know this really fit.
I don't know. No, if you turn it out, it's easy. I took that trail. That's what we really meant. It takes you over and then up.
Alright, pop up there, somebody and pull her off.
Yeah.
Here's the Toyota. First bear you've had in your truck?
First animals had in this truck.
Here, be very close to this end. So that all that
Yeah,
stuff's in
excellent.
it.
Water bottle. I'll drink that water bottle.
Good job, bud.
Thanks.